Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Simple Man on drums. We'll start by understanding the song's overall feel, which is a slow rock groove. The tempo is around 60 beats per minute, making it accessible for practice. Pay close attention to the distinct syncopated snare drum hits, especially during the verse sections. This unique approach adds significant character to the song's rhythm and is key to capturing its authentic sound. The main groove for Simple Man is built on a solid 4/4 time signature. You'll find the snare drum consistently hitting on beats 2 and 4, providing a steady backbeat. A crucial element is the syncopated snare stroke that appears in every other bar of the verse, breaking up the pattern. Also, listen for the subtle, ghosted 30-second note played just before the hi-hat in certain measures. It adds a nice touch. Drum fills are vital for transitioning between song sections. You can experiment with different lengths, such as quarter bar, half bar, or full bar fills. A versatile fill pattern involves a right-left hand combination followed by 2 kick drum hits. Remember to vary your dynamics. Play some notes strongly with your dominant hand and others softly with your non-dominant hand to create musical interest and depth. To truly master Simple Man, consistent practice is essential. Always use a metronome, starting at 60 beats per minute, to ensure your timing is precise. Concentrate on maintaining a steady tempo for both the main grooves and your fills. Pay close attention to the original recording to catch all the subtle nuances. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed and explore more complex variations to enhance your drumming.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.